Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. You should know that an array can have any number of dimensions. When the array is created, easily you can define the number of dimensions by using the NumPy argument. Okay, let's move on to our first example in this lesson. Let's create an array with 5 dimensions and also verify that it has 5 dimensions using the ndim attribute. We have created a simple array here. It has 4 items of integer data types. And also we set a value for the ndim argument, and this value is 5. And after that we verify that it has 5 dimensions. And you can see this in the output. It is very easy, as you can see. Here we didn't import the NumPy library because we imported it once at the beginning of this file. Make sure to import it first. Now let's talk about the NumPy array indexing. How we can access array elements or items. Basically, the array indexing is the same as accessing an array element or item. Also, you can access an array element by referring to its index number. Also, you should know that the indexes in NumPy arrays start with 0. This means the first element has index 0, the second element has index 1, the third element has index 2, and so on. Okay, now let's take a simple example to get elements from a one-dimensional array. We have a one-dimensional array here and it has 4 items of integer data type. The first item is 10, the second item is 20, the third item is 30, and the fourth item is 40. The last item is 40 here. The first item 10 has the index 0, the second item 20 has the index 1, the third item 30 has the index 2, and so on. The last item or the fourth item has index 3. So we got this output you see.